each time you change the way people move, change the way that people communicate, and change the way that people power themselves, it revolutionizes the world. So the first industrial revolution, we started to be able to move using steam power. We started to be able to communicate using steam printed presses. So mass communication came to being. We started to power things with steam. And that was a massive revolution. Now people could travel way further, they could communicate way further, they could produce so much more. So it changed the way the world worked. The second industrial revolution, we could move using cars. We could communicate with telegraphs and power ourselves with electricity. That was a mind-blowing revolution. It increased the ability for communication to happen globally in seconds. People could go so much further. Oil as a power source came of being, and electricity came to be. And the third industrial revolution that we just looked at, you could move with planes. You could literally fly across the world. You could communicate with phones, and you're powering things with oil like across the board. That has built this entire world today that we're calling normal. The future is we move in automated cars and drones and teleport to places in the metaverse. We don't even move, we just pop into existence. If I want to meet you, I'll just pop right next to you. It won't be a phone call, I'll just go, hey, do you accept it? I'll just hologram next to you and I'll be there. So we move in a way that is unfathomable to most people. We'll be able to communicate with our minds. We won't even have to call each other. We can communicate by literally popping into existence next to each other, or we could just telepathically communicate eventually. And if that sounds like it's crazy, being able to have a God slate that answers all of your questions in your pocket was considered crazy 20 years back, but now it's the truth.